Dear viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. In this video, we are going to learn a topic called type of ores in the metallurgy. Now, before we say what is type of ore, we should know what is called ore. Definition of ore and mineral, we will see first. Ore is a mineral from which metal can be extracted easily, profitably and economically. So ore is a mineral. So what is the definition of mineral? Mineral may be a single compound or a complex mixtures of compounds. So it is a compound, right? So if a mineral is a compound, if ore is a mineral, ores may be a compound. So from this statement, I can clearly say ore may be a compound or mixture of compounds of metal. So if you know the term compound, we can easily say what are the type of ores we have. So what do you mean by compound? It is formed by the combination of two different type of elements in a fixed ratio by mass is called compound, right? So for example, sodium is combining with chlorine, it forms sodium chloride. Here, two different elements combine to form a compound. Similarly, magnesium combined with chlorine, it forms magnesium chloride. It is a compound. Similarly, copper combines with oxygen to form copper oxide. Other examples such as calcium carbonate, copper carbonate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, lead oxide, lead sulfide, zinc sulfide, etc. So what you have understood in this process? Formation of compound usually takes place, right, when the metal reacts with non-metal. So when the metal reacts with non-metal, it produces ionic bond. Here, the metal have a tendency to lose electron, whereas the non-metal have a tendency to gain electrons from the metal. So the metal has a tendency to lose electrons. So the metal transfers this electron to a non-metal. So metal gains positive charge, non-metal gains negative charge. So that there is a electrostatic force of attraction takes place between metal and non-metal. So the formed product is nothing but ionic compound. So the compound usually in the ore is an ionic compound, right? Now, what are the elements forms ores? We will see. Especially the group 16 elements are called as chalcogens or oxygen family. The word chalco means ore, gen means generator or producers. So the group 16 elements are called ore producers. So let's take some example from 16 group elements. Oxygen, so it forms oxide ores. Sulfur, so it forms sulfide ores. The other ores are the oxygen combines with hydrogen, it forms hydrated ores, H2O. The salt is combined with water to form hydrated ores. When the oxygen combines with carbon, it forms carbonate, so it forms carbonate ores. Similarly, when oxygen combines with sulfur, it forms sulfate, so the metal combines with sulfate, it forms sulfate ores. When the oxygen combines with nitrogen, it forms nitrate. The nitrate combines with the metal to form nitrate ores. Ores formed by halogens are called halide ores. In this case, we call fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, etc. So totally, in this what we have seen 7 types. We have seen the type of ores. So especially group 16 elements forms ores. So they are called as ore producers. Now let us see some example of type of ores. Oxide ore. Could see bauxite. How do you want to remember this? If you remember bauxite, this formula you cannot remember easily. Instead, you should know the chemical name. So chemical name and the ore name, if you relate, we can easily write it. We will see. Aluminium oxide bihydrate. It's a chemical name. We call it as a bauxite. Right? Copper 1 oxide Cu2O is called cuprite. So it's oxide ore. Hematite is Fe2O3, which is nothing but iron 3 oxide. So if you learn the chemical name and when you relate the chemical name with a ore name, we can easily remember. Similarly, carbonate ores, marble CaCO3, otherwise called limestone, magnesite MgCO3, siderite FeCO3, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, iron carbonate, the halide ores such as cryolite, Na3Alf6. So fluorine is there, that's why it's called halide ore. Fluorspar CaF2, rock salt, sodium chloride, NaCl. It's a calcium fluoride is called fluorspar. Sulfide ores are galena FeS, iron pyrite FeS2, iron sulfide, zinc blende ZnS, zinc sulfide. So all are sulfide ores. So ores are generally classified into 7 types. So I have given 4 types of ores here. You could see the ore of aluminium, ore of copper, ore of iron. All these ores we can classify into any one of these categories. Bauxite ore, oxide, cryolite, halide ore, corundum, oxide ore, copper pyrite is a sulfide ore, cuprite is an oxide ore, copper glans is sulfide ore, hematite, oxide, magnetite, oxide ore, iron pyrite is an sulfide ore. So any one of this category we can easily accommodate. So these are the type of ores we have based on the compounds. Now let us see the occurrence of ores in Tamil Nadu. Limestone, you could see. From this we can get lime, which is used for whitewashing. The limestone is available in Coimbatore, Gudalur and Tindikal mostly. Gypsum, which is one of the main product of cement manufacturing, which is available in Trichy and Coimbatore districts. You could see the white color substance. The formula of limestone is CaCO3. Gypsum is calcium sulfate bihydrate, CaSO4.2H2O. The next, titanium minerals available in Kanyakumari and Tirunelveli and Tuticorin. So this is the ore you could see. The color of the ore like dark grey. The next, chromatite ore is available in Coimbatore and Chellam district. The ore color you could see and the image of the ore you could see. The next one, magnetite ore is available in Dharmaburi, Erode and Salem, Tiruvannamalai. The formula for this is Fe3O4. You could see the images. Similarly, the tungsten ore, wolframite we call. The ore of tungsten is wolframite, which is available in Madurai and Dindigul. These are the pictures of the ore. I hope this video is very helpful in learning the type of ores and how do they form ores and what are the type of ores too. Hope this video will be very helpful in learning the type of ores and occurrence of ores. If you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Like, comment if you have any doubt, share it to your friends, let them learn the chemistry in easy manner. Thank you.